I'm present here with important topic in Brahmanbaria District. Yes, it is Ujanchar Jomidar's house. This Jomidar house is located in Ujanchar village under Ujanchar 12 Nam Union under Bancharampur upazila of Brahmanbaria. This Jomidar house has been carrying the tradition from more than 100 years. But this Jomidar's house is falling apart due to lack of renovation. How to get there? From the upazila of Bancharampur, you can go to Ujanchar Jomidar's house on foot. From Bancharampur to Companyganj via CNG to Homna, from Homna to CNG, rickshaw, autorickshaw, and from Dhaka to Gauripur, then from Homna to CNG, rickshaw, autorickshaw, and then Ujanchar. That's all for the time being. I will present here with another important topics. Till then, Allah Hafiz.